So what's good, YouTube? It's December 2nd. We're at the 3rd annual photography exhibition and car show in the city of Riverside. This started at 10. It is 12:14 right now. So we'll go ahead and get into this. Looks like a bunch of tight-ass little model cars. It's pretty cool. Something different. Live from San Diego.
Yo, it's time to turn that volume all the way up, because you're in the mix with Johnny Z.
Damn, this shit's crazy. Flip brownie. No warning shots. Oh yeah. Damn, that shit is fucking dope. That's from City Life San Diego. Check out this bomb. This bomb had a dope ass picture in the back too.
Don't forget to check out inside. We got a lot of great artwork for sale, so check it out, man. Some bomb art. Check it out. He's got a brand new bag.
The paintwork on that was pretty nice. On both of them, shit looked crazy.
Raffle tickets $2, man. 3 for $5. It's going down 12:30. Let's go.
Damn, that's pretty tight. Did blue on those. I like little stuff like that. It looks clean. A lot of nice cars. Damn, the artwork on this is ridiculous. Check this shit out. On the Fleetwood. Damn, that shit is tight. I like how they did the top and the bottom of it, just with the middle going down. I've divided. That shit looks clean. loving the paint job on this for sure. No, you're good. Oh yeah, this is ridiculous. Look at this shit. Damn, even the insides. Can't tell if you can see the inside of it, but they even have the inside all painted to color match the sides. That shit is ridiculous. It's hella nice for sure. God damn. And flakings. Oh. That's clean. Oh.
That's my wife's eyes.
Really? Damn, that's...
She's on the trunk too. I got a mural on the trunk.
I was looking at the pinstriping, loving the flaking on that.
Loves that.
Hell
and
yeah.
he told me when he did it, he goes, they're gonna love that, bro.
Hell yeah, it stands out big time.
That's my wife, my son. Both of those pictures of my wife at a different time in life.
That is awesome.
Hey, the same guy that did his murals did mine.
Really?
Yeah.
Damn, both have amazing work on it.
Hey, that guy, his name is Shinji from Japan. He's out here in Southern Cali. He does a lot of people from Majestic.
Yeah.
He's done almost every bomb mural you see. If a Hispanic didn't do it, Shinji did it.
Yeah, that is awesome.
Hey, he has a photographic memory, bro. Yeah, let me have one.
That's my YouTube channel. I'll be posting it up for sure, dude.
Heck yeah, bro. Heck yeah. Hey, I got his YouTube channel. He's gonna post some cars in there. This is happy. That's my buddy.
All right, brother. Thank you, man.
Not a problem. Thank you.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you for sharing.
And we came because he told me it was photographers gonna be here all over the place. We put out money in these cars to show them.
Oh,
Not
yeah.
to put them in the garage and leave them there, you know? And at a church, it's always good to come to a church function.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look.
Hey.
While you filming, let me turn the lights on, bro. I got lights.
Oh, no. Damn, look at the inside.
Look at that right here, running lights.
Oh. Damn, even the doors too.
Yep.
Hell yeah. Look at that. I don't know if you can tell, but it's all along the side right here. You got them along the panels. You got the dash. Damn, the interior is ridiculous. Loving this. Look at the back. Got the other side.
Yep.
Thank you for sharing.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is just way too nice. Look at the front right here. God damn. To keep it real, this is probably the nicest paint job I've seen in a while. Way too nice. Damn, the door panels too. Love it when they do stuff like that. Oh yeah, with the music notes all alongside. Crazy. Yeah, that shit is really nice. Let's go catch this bomb over here. I would have thought there would have been quite a bit more cars, but for people that do photography, you could get a lot out of very little. But it's Saturday and there's a lot of toy drives and car shows going on this weekend. I know there's another toy drive a few miles from here, still in Riverside. I'll probably hit that. Then just go from there, probably try to do another back-to-back. everyone's having a good week.
Ladies bumping the fresh taste. Seeing the sparks from my car when the flame scrapes. Girls from blocks and blocks, they come in flocks and flocks. Ready to box, cause my 64 rocks. We call it a
Leewood looks pretty nice.
and yes, y'all were rolling hard. A single file line.
Got the new light on the 64. Headlights on this nice too. I'm actually on YouTube.
Oh, YouTube? Oh, shit. Oh, hell yeah.
I'll be posting it up in like a week or so.
All right, hell yeah.
Nice ass photo. Thank you. Thanks for sharing. A lot of nice ass cars for sure. Trying to avoid getting my shadows in there, but yeah, I'm straight fucked up that picture and shit. Second there, I thought these were just like scratches or paint chipping, but it's actually lighting. So I'm pretty sure that shit lights up at night. And he did the whole trimming, so I'm pretty sure that shit's gonna look pretty tight. Damn, I love this year of this Monte Carlo 77. Like food vendors, bootleg bistro. That shit's pretty cool. Then you got a bunch of other stuff. Oh, crazy. That's pretty cool. Mixture stuff. That's pretty cool. You got some sweets. Oh yeah, they got the cassettes. That is badass.
Oh yeah, click on 2. Alright, we're about to do the rap for you guys, so you guys listen up.
Damn, they have a lot of good stuff right there. Some of the old records. I saw like a handful of tapes there that I would probably buy. But earrings and stuff, necklace, cups, a mixture of stuff. It was a nice little turnout. I'm sure there's still going to be quite a bit of people pulling up still. So it looks like they're doing a raffle right now.
You hear me now? 129278.
But I'll probably end this one and just start taking some pictures. Start heading out to the next one. Hopefully you enjoy this couple minutes and stay tuned for the next one.
Snoop Dogg wine.